Some iPhone models have a 120 Hz display, which Apple calls ProMotion. There's no toggle for 120 Hz refresh rate, but if you want, you can limit your phone to 60 Hz instead. Go to Settings, Accessibility, and Motion. Scroll all the way down and you'll see a Limit Frame Rate option if your phone supports 120 Hz, aka ProMotion. Toggling this on will limit your phone to 60 Hz. Currently, only the Pro models support 120 Hz, so if you don't see this option, it means your phone does not have ProMotion. ProMotion is automatic and adaptive, so it can change anywhere between 10 and 120 Hz, depending on the contents of your screen. Reading static content, having the always-on display active or turning on the low power mode will automatically drop your refresh rate. But if you want to extend battery life and not use low power mode, limiting the refresh rate is a good way to squeeze out more battery life out of your device. Hope that helps. Leave a comment if you have questions, and check out my iOS playlist for more easy guides like this.